What's up, everyone? It's Curry Gaming, and today I am finally back with another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing. And today I'm going to unbox two trucks that I found from Mix 2 of the singles, and my stores have finally got Mix 2, and I'm pretty stoked. I found 5 different trucks from Mix 2, but I'm going to open 2 of them today. They are Max D Gold and Monster Mutt Rottweiler. And here's the back of the case. Son of a Digger, I did not care about that one because it's a rim variant and I already have Son of a Digger from the double, so I didn't really care about that one that much. Rottweiler, which is a truck I'm unboxing. Max D Gold, which is one I'm unboxing. Scarlet Bandit, I did find that. I am going to unbox that one in the future. Nitro Neon Gravedigger, I found that. I will unbox that in the future. Hurricane Force, I'm still hunting for. Green Jester, I found that. I'll unbox that in the future. And Retro Rebels King Crunch, I'm still on the hunt for that. Alright, so first we are going to unbox the Gold Max D. So here's the figure, Tom Mentz, or Colton Eichelberger. Here's the truck. Here's the complaint card. And of course you get a poster. Let's check that out real quick. Oh, this one's way cooler than the first one. Alright. So right here you have Son of a Digger doing freestyle. And then here you have the list of all the trucks that you can find in the singles, and the ones from the 2-packs as well. So it shows Mix 1, Mix 2, and Mix 3 of the singles, and Mix 1, Mix 2, and Mix 3 of the doubles. So pretty cool. Alright, first I'll give you a 180 look at Gold Max D, and then I'll give you a up-close review of the truck. I apologize if the camera is a little out of focus. Alright, so here's a up-close look at the truck. The top's got your regular Max D flames. The gold paint is all shiny and reflecting the light, which is really nice. 11-time champion on the top, Max D, of course. Tiny spikes. The face is changed up to make it more accurate. It says Max D, Tom Mentz down there, Monster Jam logo on the tailgate, and this is the realistic, more realistic body style of the spiked Max D in real life. It's got the realistic chassis, gold rims this time, and spikes on the front, which is pretty nice. Yeah, so that's Gold Max D. And moving on to my favorite of the Rough Crowd series of the Monster Mutts, Monster Mutt Rottweiler. I like this one a lot because, I mean, I prefer the aggressive dogs, and yeah. Alright, I'll give you a 180 look at Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Alright, here's the look at the truck up close. This time it's got the corrected facial expression, and it's all like savage and angry, which I like. Collar's 3D. The ears are look like in motion. It's got a tail, but it's stubby because Rottweilers usually have stubby tails. It's got brownish rims. No tongue, which is a realistic feature. It's got whiskers on it. Dark fur across the top. Very cool. There's the base, of course. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, so those were the two trucks I wanted to unbox for you today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and review. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.